How to get sketch effect in Photoshop.
The best sketch effect can be achieved in 2 minutes.
Welcome to HLGRAPHICS. Let's go and conquer the new world of graphics. Take a good quality photo. Take a duplicate copy of it through Ctrl+J.
Notice in the Layers panel where I've made a copy of this image.
Go to Image, click on Adjustments and select Desaturate at the bottom. That is, convert the image to black and white. Take a duplicate copy of this also through Ctrl+J. See where the arrow is going. Now we will go back to Image and check the adjustments and click on Invert. Now we will change the image mode and click on Color Dodge. As soon as you do this, your image will disappear instantly, but don't worry, look ahead. Now go to the filter, at the bottom it will be written Other. There are some options in front of it where you click on Minimum. A box will open in front of you where you can set up the roundness and adjust the pixels according to the image. If the image is of good quality, then increase the pixel, and if it is of low quality, then keep the pixel less. Check out how great the sketch effect is. In just 2 minutes, you've got a great sketch effect in Photoshop.